Hello everyone. Today for the first time Pakistan used artificial rain to fight pollution. Cloud seeding was used to counter the hazardous smog in the mega city of Lahore, one of the world's most polluted cities. Artificial rain has been used for the first time in Pakistan in a bid to combat hazardous levels of pollution in the megacity of Lahore. Planes equipped with cloud seeding equipment flew on Saturday over the eastern city, often ranked one of the worst places globally for air pollution. Air quality in Lahore has been particularly bad in the last few weeks, and the Punjab government employed several tactics including the early closure of businesses and keeping schools off for 2 extra days to help improve the air quality, but nothing worked. Teams from the WAY, along with 2 planes, arrived in Pakistan about 10 to 12 days ago. They used 48 flares to create the rain. The WAY has increasingly used cloud seeding, sometimes referred to as artificial rain or blusking, to create rain in the arid expanse of the country. In the cloud seeding process, silver iodide, a yellowish salt, is burned in clouds in a compound with acetone to encourage condensation to form as rain. Even very modest rain is effective in bringing down pollution. Levels of PM2.5 pollutants, cancer-causing microparticles that enter the bloodstream through the lungs, were measured as hazardous in Lahore on Saturday at more than 66 times the World Health Organization's danger limits. Air pollution has worsened in Pakistan in recent years as a mixture of low-grade diesel fumes, smoke from seasonal crop burn-off, and colder winter temperatures coalesce into stagnant clouds of smog. Lahore has suffered the most from the toxic smog, choking the lungs of more than 11 million residents in Lahore during the winter season. Prolonged exposure can trigger strokes, heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases, according to the WHO. The Pakistani authorities blame industrial emissions, smoke from brick kilns and vehicles, and the burning of crop residue and general waste for causing air pollution and smog in the central Punjab province. Growing industrialization in South Asia in recent decades has driven an increase in pollutants emanating from factories, construction activity, and vehicles in densely populated areas. The problem becomes more severe in cooler autumn and winter months as temperature inversion prevents a layer of warm air from rising and traps pollutants closer to the ground. Rising air pollution can cut life expectancy by more than 5 years per person in South Asia, one of the world's most polluted regions, according to a report published in August which flagged the growing burden of hazardous air on health. Pakistan is responsible for less than 1% of global carbon emissions, but is among the top 10 most climate vulnerable nations. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one. Goodbye.